Hello students, I am here with the second part of my video, that is the basic concepts of chapter polynomials. So here we mainly discuss all the points of these polynomials that are going to be related with class 10th especially. So if you see here, just I have prepared a mind map for you, and where you can see that we have to study total 9 concepts out there. Total number of concepts here are 9. So what are the basic concepts that we needed? We already discussed in our earlier video. So we have a quick recap again here in this. If you see what is the basically the mind map, the first point for the mind map here is, first you should know about this polynomial that we already discussed out there. After that we should know about the types of a polynomial. Then we should know about the standard form of a linear quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. If you see here, just I have mentioned here any polynomial which is written in this form ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers and the value of a is not equals to 0, such a polynomial is said to be a linear polynomial, and this form of writing a linear polynomial is known as a standard form of writing a linear polynomial. Similarly, any polynomial which is written in this form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are representing the real numbers and a condition is prevailed over here, and it is that the value of a should not equals to 0. Such a polynomial is said to be a quadratic polynomial, and this form which is mentioned over here is called as the standard form of writing a quadratic polynomial. Similarly, if you see any polynomial, if it is written in this form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are representing the real numbers and the value of a should not equals to 0, such a polynomial is said to be a cubic polynomial, and the way of writing this cubic polynomial in this form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is set a standard form of a cubic polynomial. After knowing the standard form of writing a linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, you should know about this term value of a polynomial. So what is basically the value of a polynomial? You just read down this statement. If px is a polynomial, we represent a polynomial by this symbol px. If px is a polynomial and the variable used here is x, and if k is any real number, then the value obtained by replacing x by k in px is called the value of px at x is equals to k. This statement can be explained with the help of this example. Suppose our polynomial px is x square plus 2. If we place minus 4 in place of x, or you can say the value of k if we are taking as minus 4, then what will be the value for this polynomial? What you should have to do, you have to just place minus 4 in place of this x, and you will see that when minus 4 is placed in place of this x, it becomes minus 4x square plus 2, minus 4 whole square means 16 plus 2 is equals to 18. So 18 is the value of this polynomial px. Till now we discussed 5 key points out of total 9 points, and the discussed key points are this polynomial, types of a polynomial, standard form of a linear quadratic cubic polynomial, value of a polynomial. Only this is left, zeros and roots of a polynomial, and these 5 key points are of your class 9th, and I discussed 4 out of this 5. Only this is zeros and roots of a polynomial is left. Now just after this we will discuss the rest of the 9 points. Now we will discuss algebraical meaning of 0 of a polynomial. 0 has 2 different meanings, in form of an algebraical as well as in form of geometry. So algebraical meaning of 0 we have done in class 9, and geometrical meaning of 0 of a polynomial we will do in class 10. Let's first see what is the algebraical meaning of 0 of a polynomial. a real number k is said to be a 0 of the polynomial px if pk is equals to 0. K means here the constant number is 0. For example, a linear polynomial we are taking as an example, and it is 2x plus 3. Then if pk is 0, then it gives us 2k plus 3 is equals to 0, that is k is equals to minus 3 by 2. So, this value of k, that is minus 3 by 2, is termed as the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 3. Why is it said to be the 0 of the polynomial? Because when minus 3 by 2 is placed in place of this x, it makes the whole polynomial equals to 0. That is why it is said to be the 0 of the polynomial. So, in general, if k is a 0 of the polynomial px such that it is a linear polynomial x plus b, then always the value of k is equals to minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus b is a constant term and a is what? The coefficient of x.